masculine and feminine.
المذكر والمؤنث.
Welcome everyone. My name is Dr. Ahmed. And today, I'm going to teach you about masculine and feminine nouns in Arabic. At the end of this lesson, you will understand the two types of Arabic nouns in terms of gender.
المذكر.
Masculine. And
المؤنث.
feminine. So, how do we know which nouns are masculine and which are feminine in Arabic? As a beginner, you can follow these basic guidelines. Assume that all Arabic nouns are masculine, unless they fall into one of the categories of feminine nouns. Nouns in Arabic are feminine when they refer to natural females. If the meaning of the word is feminine, the gender of the word will always be feminine too. Here are some examples. Mother,
بنت,
girl,
أخت,
sister,
امرأة,
woman,
زينب,
Zainab,
مريم.
Maryam. Feminine nouns in Arabic also include animals that have male counterparts. For example,
قطة,
cat,
بقرة,
cow,
دجاجة.
chicken. Next, Arabic words are considered feminine if they end with
تاء مربوطة.
For example,
أسرة,
family,
شجرة,
tree,
حقيبة.
bag. The letter
تاء مربوطة.
usually indicates that a word is feminine. However, there are a few exceptions to this rule, such as
حمزة,
this word has a
تاء مربوطة.
at the end, but it is a boy's name, so it is masculine. The same goes for other names like
طلحة,
and.
معاوية.
We can also change a masculine noun into a feminine noun by adding the.
تاء مربوطة.
For example,
طبيب,
a male doctor becomes
طبيبة.
a female doctor. But now you might be wondering, why should I learn the gender of Arabic words? Well, this is important because it affects how you use other words. Words that are used before the noun, and words that are used after the noun. In Arabic, other words must match the gender of the noun. This includes Number 1. Demonstrative pronouns, such as this and that. For example,
هذا كتاب.
this is a book,
هذه سيارة.
this is a car. We can see from the examples that Arabic uses different words for this, based on gender. This, for masculine noun is,
هذا,
and this, for feminine noun is.
هذه.
And examples for that. In Arabic,
ذلك أب.
that is a father,
تلك
that is a mother. Number 2. Adjectives, which describe the noun. For example,
ولد طويل.
a tall boy,
بنت طويلة.
a tall girl. Notice how
طويل
becomes
طويلة.
to match the girl's gender. So, when we know if a word is masculine or feminine, we can use the right forms of other words with it. It's just like matching puzzle pieces. Before we finish our lesson today, let's take a look at a few examples that compare masculine and feminine nouns in Arabic.
رجل.
Man,
امرأة.
woman,
طالب.
male student,
طالبة.
female student,
ميسي.
Messi,
موناليسا.
Mona Lisa,
قلم.
pen,
حقيبة.
bag,
كت.
male cat,
قطة.
female cat. Well, that's the gender of Arabic nouns. Hopefully, you can now understand the difference between
المذكر
and.
المؤنث.
Goodbye, and see you next time.